During this video, we are going to show you how to name binary molecular compound, also called covalent compounds. Binary covalent compounds or binary molecular compounds are those compounds that are formed by the union of two non-metals, okay? Up to now, we only have been doing videos in which we have metals and non-metals, hydrogens and non-metals, but in this case, we have two non-metals, okay? So the way to name molecular compounds are the easiest one. We have to name the first non-metal, including the number of atoms, okay, with a prefix, okay, and then the name of the second metal, including a prefix indicating the number of atoms, changing the ending of the second non-metal to IDE, okay? So let's, for example, here we have CCl4. Both of them are non-metals. Okay, so this will be carbon tetrachloride. This tetra is the number 4 that we have here of chlorine. And the changing of the ending of the last, of the second non-metal is going to be to IDE, okay? The prefix that we use are going to be mono for one, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. Okay, those are the ones that we normally use. And mono, okay, it is not normally used, well, it's going to be only used for the second non-metal. So mono is not right, or is not going to be written in the first non-metal. So we do not say in this example monocarbon tetrachloride. We only say carbon tetrachloride. But if we had more than one carbon, okay, we will add the prefix in the first non-metal. Okay, let's make some examples to understand and practice this. Okay. Here we have two non-metals, sulfur and oxygen. So I know that this will be a binary molecular compound, BMC, or molecular compound. And the way to name is first name of the first non-metal, including a prefix indicating the number of atoms that we have. So in this case, this will be the sulfur, okay? Then the name of the second non-metal, including a prefix indicating the number of atoms, changing the ending to IDE. So this will be pent oxide. Let me just erase this S, that doesn't go here. You can write pentoxide, or you can write pentaoxide, and it will be correct both ways. It's more common to see it as pentoxide, okay? Let's see the next one. We have the name and we have to write the formula. It says carbon monoxide, okay? So we know that it's carbon, symbol C, oxide, it's O, and since it says mono, it means that we have a number 1 at the bottom that is not written, okay? So this is also a binary molecular compound, okay? CCl4 is the one that we just saw in the example. So this is carbon, okay? We do not say monocarbon. Mono is not written when in the first element. It's only going to be written in the second non-metal, okay? So this will be carbon tetra 4,4 chloride. This is also BMC, okay? The last one, the phosphorus tribromide, okay? The tell us that we have phosphorus, its symbol is P. So we have a number 2 here, the phosphorus. Bromine is Br, and it has a 3, so we just write this 3, and this is also BMC. This is like the easiest family to name. And since we have two non-metals, both of the elements have negative charge, so we do not have to care about crossing charges or having the sum of the exponent equal to 0, because since we have two negative elements, there's no way that the sum give us 0, okay? So we just write as it appears the number of atoms, okay? I hope that you understand how to name binary molecular compounds.